everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny in BC. Hope everybody's looking forward to the weekend. I have an unbagging today. I already went ahead and opened it up just to make it a little bit easier. I had my blade here to do that. And it's an unboxing today, and so if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's always appreciated, and if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it here. Open up. Alright, so it's a iPad mini in rose gold. And it's 64 gigs mini Wi-Fi model. And I'll be looking for a case for this. You always want to have a case so it doesn't mess up your stuff. It's kind of important. The back is really nice. The color is really pretty. And it will fit in all my handbags. So I'm looking forward to using this. We're going to be going RVing pretty soon, so I'm looking forward to that as well. And I did have a request regarding my Chanel bag, wear and tear, from Dorothy. Hi Dorothy in UK. Thanks for the request. And I'll be doing that sometime next week for you. Alright, so if you have any other requests, just please leave them in the comments below. I answer all my comments. I do appreciate it. And please like and subscribe and make sure that you hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I normally video at least once a week, sometimes more. So until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Bye-bye.